My name is Dana. I am a student worker at the Shingothi, and I'm a senior here at AU. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to fold paper lantern boxes for the string lights. To start off, we're going to be taking one of the sheets of paper, and we're just going to go ahead and fold it in half, making sure that it is nice and even. And then as soon as it's even, we're just going to go ahead and crease it. And then once it is creased, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side so it is folded. So go ahead and make sure it's even, and then fold down the crease. So the paper should be folded 4 times. Once you've done that, we're going to go ahead and fold it again 2 more times, but we're going to fold it to the corner. So you're going to take the bottom corner, fold it to the top corner, again making sure that it's even, and crease down on it, and then flip it around, and then do the same thing on the other side. So bottom corner to the top corner, down, and there we go. So once you have folded your piece of paper 8 times, what you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half horizontally, and you're going to hold the middle of the corner towards the top where you made all of the folds. And then you're going to go ahead and take this edge and push it to the middle, push it down, and then fold it down so that you have half of a triangle here. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So you're going to take this corner, push it down with your finger, and fold it to, and fold it to the middle so that now you have, you'd have a triangle. So now that you have your triangle, what you're going to do is you're going to fold each of the 4 corners to this top corner here. So you're going to start off, pick up 1, and then fold the bottom corner to the top corner. There we go. And then you're going to fold it down, crease it, and do the same thing on the other side. So go ahead and fold this part up, fold the bottom corner to the top corner, and then go ahead and crease it once it's even. Then you're going to flip it around and do the same thing on the other side. So take this bottom corner here, fold it to the top, make your crease, and then one last time, take this bottom corner, put it to the top, and fold it down. So now the triangle has turned into a nice little square. So once you have your square, what you're going to do is you're going to take these side corners here and you're going to fold them to the middle. So go ahead and take one corner, fold it to the middle of the square, and then crease down on it. Make sure you crease it so that it's nice and flat, just to make sure it doesn't get too bulky. And then go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Fold it to the middle here, then crease down nice and flat. And once you've done this to the first side, flip it over, and on the other side, take this corner here, fold it to the middle, push down on it, make it flat, and then one last time, corner to the middle, and fold down. Okay, so the next to the last step is to go ahead and unfold the corner. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this top corner and we're going to fold it down to the side corner. So go ahead and take the top corner, fold it down so that it now creates a triangle that overlaps this top corner. And then once you have that, you're going to fold the corner down so that you can't see the triangle anymore and it's back the way it was before. But then what you're going to go ahead and do is going to unfold it so that the triangle is outside of it. You're going to push your finger into the hole here on this side pocket, and you're going to create a pocket. Then you're going to start to, this step does take a little bit of practice. You're going to sort of push it down, and then as you push it down, you're going to take this triangle and you're going to push it into the pocket so that the triangle is now hidden. And then you're going to go ahead and do this with the other 3 sides. So first off, you're going to unfold it, take the top corner, fold it to the side corner, make a triangle, fold the corner back to the middle so that the triangle is not visible. Then you're going to go ahead, unfold the triangle, and unfold the side corner. Put your finger into this hole right here to make a pocket. And then as you push down on the pocket, push the triangle into the pocket with your finger. And then same thing on the other side. So unfold, fold the top corner to the side corner. Oops, can't see because my hand's in the way. And then go ahead and fold the side corner down back to the middle. Just can't see it. Go ahead and push your finger into the hole and unfold the corner or the triangle. And then as you push it down, push the triangle into the pocket. And then last time, unfold this corner, fold the top corner to the side corner, make a triangle, fold it down, make sure it's creased. Again, making sure that your creases are nice and tight. And then fold the middle corner back into the center. And then go ahead, unfold the triangle, unfold the side pocket, and then put your finger inside of the hole to make a pocket. And then as you push down on this, go ahead and push the triangle into the corner and push down so that you cannot see the triangle. Fold these top and bottom corners to the middle. Doing this just sort of helps give the box its shape that it needs. So fold it to the middle and then go ahead and fold it to the middle on the other side just to make sure that the crease is there. Do the same thing at the bottom corner. Fold it to the middle and then unfold it, fold it to the back. So once you are finished and everything is folded, you're going to take the end that has a hole on it, and then you're just going to blow into the hole until it inflates, and it should look something like this. Pop it out a little bit if you need to, and that is how you make an origami paper lantern box. So once you have your paper box, so what you can do, you can just take your light strand and take up one individual light, and then you just put the light into the box, and then it covers the light.